Question posed by Fawaz is one of its friends asked him that if we cannot eat pig, then why did God create pig? Point to be noted that all the animals and all the living creatures in the world have not been created to be eaten. Point number one. There are many animals. We can't eat tiger, we can't eat lion, we can't eat many animals. They have been created. So tell your friend that every animal God created, God hasn't created to eat. What Allah says in the Quran that we have made the four-footed cattle for you and eat all of them except those which are prohibited. So Allah has created some animals to be eaten. For example, cow, goat, sheep, camel, but not all the animals. So mainly the herbivorous animals are those animals which normally we can eat. Why has God created the pig? There may be many reasons. One of the reasons that I can think of, that the pig is a very good scavenger. And you find that wherever there is muck and filth, the pig is there. And in the villages, when I was in India, there were villages where they don't have modern toilets like the one we have, in the cities. So in the villages, they go out to defecate for the call of nature, long one, in the open air. So in the early morning they go in the fields. When they come back, the pig goes and clears up everything. So that I realized there, the pig is a very good scavenger. It does very good cleaning. So this is one reason I can think of. There may be 1,000 reasons, Allah knows best. But the main answer is that every animal has not been created to be eaten. Those animals which have been created for eating are few. The rest are for other purposes which Allah has a reason for each. And one of the reasons I can think of a pig is it's a good scavenger. It clears up the muck and the dirt and the filth. Hope that answers the question.